Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today is going to be a little bit shorter video. I only have 4 job leads, but we have several different healthcare positions. One is literally doing medical data entry. We have a quality assurance job that is literally like grading, scoring kind of customer service interactions, giving that feedback. And we have Zillow, the well-known real estate company, hiring. Most of these jobs or all of these jobs are not going to require any kind of college degree. Now, pay is going to be dependent on the job itself, plus things like your location and experience. But pay for these jobs generally go from like $19 an hour up to $29 an hour. And as always, if you need links to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing, put those applications in. Timestamps, all additional information can be found in the YouTube description box that's generally located below the video. I do just want to quickly say that if you're new to this channel, what we do here is we go out daily, generally Monday through Friday, search the internet, search all the job boards, trying to weed through the scams and cherry pick just the best jobs that are hiring remote work from home and sharing them with you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. Now, first up, we have the company Modivcare. Now, please note, Modivcare has 484 reviews from past and current employees. They have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating at 2.5 out of 5 stars. So they come right in the middle. Some people love them, some people hate them. So if you're interested in this job, please make sure you come to their Glassdoor page, read reviews, see what things people are saying about them. But they are looking for a remote work from home vitals monitoring representative. So they're basically looking for somebody to monitor high volume medical alert alarms with genuine concern. And so what you're going to do is you're monitoring these alarms, and when one of these alarms go off, you've got to determine the response requirements. Is it a false alarm? Can you talk to the patient and kind of work through it? Or do you need to call somebody like 911 or medical help and dispatch something to get the priority of the patient's health taken care of? Get them some help since you are working from home remote. So you are monitoring these alarms remotely from a computer screen. The only thing you can do is contact the patient by telephone and kind of ask them. You'll have certain questions, follow-up questions to ask them to kind of assess their alert by modality. And of course, you're gonna follow your workflows again to determine those next steps in the call process. So when you're talking to the patient, you're gonna verify their demographics and other related information, and you're doing some patient data entry, entering that information into the computer system, making sure that you have their name, their phone number, their address, their date of birth, their insurance information, just all the things. And you'll answer routine inquiries from them or relay information and messages to different health professionals. Maybe they need a message relayed to their doctor, nurse, things like that. Just helping take care of the patient's overall medical concerns. Now, this only requires a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of related professional or healthcare medical experience. They do prefer somebody who has been like some kind of medical assistant CNA before, but it's not required. They prefer somebody who has call center customer service experience, somebody who can be a problem solver, be self-motivated. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, be able to navigate around a computer. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $21.64 an hour up to $29.21 an hour. Now, next up, if you're looking to do straight data entry in the medical field without having to talk to patients, maybe Zotec Partners is for you. They have 233 reviews from past and current employees, that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a charge entry representative. This is remote for the United States. And they are basically looking for somebody to be responsible for monitoring the data entry of patient demographics and charges and review accounts for additional information needed for billing. So what happens in the healthcare field is when the patient is seen, their demographic information, which includes their name, address, date of birth, insurance information, phone number, all of that information is entered into the system. And then the doctor drops the charges or puts in the medical records, what the patient was seen for. And before a claim can go out to the insurance company, those charges have to be entered into the healthcare billing system so that then they can populate on a claim and go out to the insurance company. Generally, claims these days are billed to the insurance company electronically over the internet, so that information has to be entered into the computer system. So what the patient was seen for, their information, all of that. And so Zotec is just looking for someone to enter all of this information into their computer system. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Somebody who's familiar with medical records, has 1 to 2 years of medical billing knowledge, great attention to detail, and of course you've got to be able to navigate around a computer system. Now, sadly, they did not list the actual pay in the job description. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. However, Glassdoor estimates salary for this position anywhere from $41,000 a year up to $53,000 a year. $41,000 a year is about $19 an hour, so it's $19 and up. Now, next up, we have the company Advantive. They only have 49 reviews from past and current employees, and on top of not having many reviews, they do have a low employee satisfaction rating. So I always urge you, please do your own research on any companies before giving them any of your personal information. They come in right in the middle at 2.5 out of 5 stars. So again, some people love them, some people hate them. But they are looking for remote work from home for the United States support quality assurance specialist. This means that you're basically responsible for evaluating the quality of their customer support interactions, analyzing a case documentation, and providing feedback to those support technicians so that they can improve their customer service. So you're basically listening to recorded phone calls, reading emails, chats, however customer service is done, and you're evaluating these customer support cases, assessing the quality of the interactions. So you're going to have an established process and like a scorecard that you kind of make sure that the customer service rep hit certain points, was communicative, was effective in their communication, they were accurate in the technical information that they gave the customer over the phone, they resolved the case in a timely manner. All these different things you are scoring them on and marking them off on. You're analyzing this documentation in Salesforce, making sure it's complete, accurate. And then, of course, you're providing that feedback to the customer support reps or the support technicians, as they call them, on their performance, how they did. You're going to kind of highlight areas that they did well on, as well as give them some things to work on. So you're basically just identifying opportunities for process improvement. So while you're scoring all these different reps, you're kind of looking for trends and places that the process that they currently have is not working, and kind of come up with ideas of how to improve that. Now, no college degree is needed for this one, but they do want somebody who's 3 years of experience in some kind of customer support role. They prefer somebody who's been in a tech role before, but if not, just customer support. Somebody who has a solid understanding of quality assurance principles, somebody who understands technical concepts, can troubleshoot basic software issues, somebody who has great written communication skills, great attention to detail. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay, and I could not find an estimate on Glassdoor. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. We have real estate giant Zillow hiring. They probably need no introduction. They have 2,300 reviews from past and current employees, then an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a connections specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States, and they state that buying, selling, or financing homes is a complicated process with uncertain timelines, and so the connection team is passionate about changing that. So they are trying to match people with their correct products, services, and the people that they work with, like professionals. Maybe you need a real estate agent, or maybe you need a mortgage broker. Maybe you need someone to inspect the home you're in the process of buying. There's so many, when you buy a house, there's so many different professionals that you need to work with. And so Zillow is looking for someone to help customers get connected to the right professionals. So you're basically interacting directly with these customers. So you're going to be talking to them on the phone. This is going to be like a customer service phone job, asking them questions and discovering what their needs are. And then you're offering them solutions using Zillow's products and services. So you're getting, again, those customers connected to the right products and professionals through understanding of real estate and crafting an outstanding customer experience, just understanding what they need. So you will be collaborating with different people. You've got to be self-disciplined and be accountable. Now, pay for this position is going to depend on things like location and experience. Pay starts around $15.70 an hour, goes up to $23.50 an hour. No college degree is needed though, just somebody who has 2 years of experience in either account management, customer service, or some kind of sales role. Now, most of us probably have customer service experience. Somebody who can adapt quickly, be a quick learner, comfortable with change, someone who has the ability to engage and with customers, kind of storytell, drive that trust with people and the trust in Zillow. So you've got to have great people skills, great problem solving skills, and they are looking for somebody who can work kind of flexible schedules. Maybe you're working early mornings one night and then late nights a different day. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.